Linking your bank account to Swiggy is a straightforward process that allows you to make seamless payments for your orders. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Open a Swiggy app. Launch the Swiggy app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option in the app. Look for the Account Settings or Payment Method section to manage your payment options. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method. In the payment settings, choose the option to add payment method or link bank account. This will allow you to enter your bank details. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in the required information such as your bank account number, ISK code, and account holder name. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, you may need to verify your account through a one-time password OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Swiggy account, allowing for easy and quick payments. Enjoy your ordering experience.